Right, before you go,
Yes.
it's coming down to the winter solstice,
It
and
is.
I knew you were coming up. Do you think you'd come in and record a wee piece that I've written with Jonathan?
I would love to. Tell us what's it called.
Well, it's called Solstice, but it's for you, Paddy. I've written it
For
for you.
me?
For us, but for you, yes. And I'd be chuffed if we could go and play it.
And this is going to be the very final thing that we play on the whole Musical Meet series.
We'll bring it to-
And that's what I expect.
Bring it to conclusion.
Oh, that's so lovely.
Well, it was a great idea that you had to start this
Aw.
series, and it's been a really fantastic series, and I hope you do more in the future.
Fingers crossed. It's been good fun, and it's very nice to top and tail it with your good self. So thank you very much for the hospitality and for the beautiful music.
Anytime.
Aw.